Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome back to another Mazda video. In thumbnail you have seen what's up. So let's do not delay and let's go for it. Okay, Mazda time, that means we will need tools. And for tools we're talking is 12mm socket. And this is a 14 on extension. Now let's go to the back and let's remove the rear seats. So the support and the bottom we will remove. The bottom has 2 bolts each on each side. So you will need a 12mm at the front. And then on the back, once you fold this down, you will need a 14mm. But there are steps. So let's go right to the back and I'll show you the steps. Firstly, let the seats down. Estates have these. And we can take these out. These have to come out. So you can see here goes a wire that's connected to the button that lets this all down. So ta-da! And now we can take this out. And this is what we need. We need to unhook these so we can actually take the seats off. See? Here and here. I'll show you how to do it right now. So this is the closest I can show you. You can see right here is a tab. See? Right here is a tab, right here is a tab. You can see that here is a lip and this is how it connects right here. So you need to pray from the back, push down with a flathead screwdriver, see? If you push it down, no way, it unpeels. See? This is just a sleeve with some grooves in here, so you know how to put it back. So put this on side and you can now unhook this ball till the end and down. And that's how those seat latches work. Now on both seats you can see here is see this in the middle, 2 of them. So right here and here, there and there. You need to unscrew these. Right here, right here, right here. These are 14. These all at the back are 14. This was tight. Damn, it was tight. Whoo! Before you say right here, you need a deeper socket. This is a shallow socket. Fits in here, but the head is barely there. You can still open it up. you can see. And these side bolts and screws were tight. When I say tight, I mean really tight. So this is how far we are. We unhooked these. We unscrewed all of this. So we should be able to lift all this up. The back, we should be able to just lift it up. So that's unscrewed, so we can fold this up. You can still hook it back in. It's all fine because you have these buttons. You can press with the buttons. And now right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but right here, see? There are two clips. You can just take with your hands and just pull forwards. See? These are 12 mil. And now with here it should be a latch, see? And this you can just lift it up and all the chair will just move up. Now once you took all that out, pull up from there. Don't forget the seat belts to feed them back down. See? And now you can take a 14 mil right here and undo the seat belt. See? And now you should be able to lift this all out by pressing the button and sliding it all out. Once on your single seat, there is only one, you lift it up. Make sure you have this screw removed, this one right here. See right there, there is one hidden. So make sure you have it removed before removing the seat belt. So there you go, that's how you remove the rear seats. Now some of you would be asking, why you want to remove rear seats? You have an access point right here in the middle. Correct me if I'm wrong, but here should be the fuel tank, the fuel pump itself. Fuel pump here, underneath this cover, so you can access and service it and so on. But correct me if I'm wrong. So there you go, that's how to remove the rear seats. The rear seats are here, so you can see folded up all nicely. And this took me half an hour with all the struggling with the bolts, because these side bolts are really tight, really tight. So that's how you remove the rear. To put it back, it's just the reverse what you did. Put the seat back in, bolt seat belt, that down, and plug everything in, and you're all fine. Hope this helps, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.